In order to qualify for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, filers must pass the Chapter 7 bankruptcy means test. The means test requires legal knowledge and math. Most sources, including the U.S. Bankruptcy Court, recommend working with a bankruptcy lawyer. What's the point of a bankruptcy means test? The Chapter 7 bankruptcy means test is designed to make sure that only those who cannot afford to repay some or all of their debts receive a Chapter 7 discharge. How does the bankruptcy means test work? The test has three basic parts. Part 1. Median income comparison. Filers must compare their income to the median income of a household their size in their state. This requires access to updated state median income tables, which a bankruptcy attorney can provide. Those whose incomes are below the median automatically pass the means test and qualify for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Those whose incomes are greater than the median move on to the second part. Part 2. Disposable income calculation. In this step, filers must calculate their disposable income. This involves subtracting from total income the allowable monthly expenses designated by the federal government. Again, knowledge of these expenses tables is essential, and a bankruptcy lawyer can provide that. Those who have less than $100 of disposable income per month, or less than $6,000 over a 5-year period, pass the means test. Those with more than $10,950 of disposable income over 5 years do not pass. Those between the two move on to Part 3. Part 3. Unsecured debt comparison. This calculation is made to determine whether a filer has enough disposable income to partially repay creditors. In this step, filers compare their disposable income over a period of 5 years to a percentage of their unsecured debt. Those with disposable income greater than 25% of their unsecured debt will likely have to file under Chapter 13 and repay creditors in part or in whole. Those with disposable income that totals less than a quarter of their unsecured debts will probably qualify for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Clearly, this test is not for the faint of heart. Because of its importance to the Chapter 7 bankruptcy process and the sophisticated calculations and comparisons required, many filers could benefit from the help of a bankruptcy lawyer familiar with the laws and necessary steps. What if you don't pass the bankruptcy means test? The bankruptcy means test only applies to Chapter 7 bankruptcy, so anyone who does not pass may still qualify for Chapter 13 bankruptcy protection.